Hey everybody, Mitch here from 506 Side-by-Side and ATV, coming at you with a little bit of a different video today. Normally we're doing side-by-side and ATV content. Well, this one's about my Jeep. You've seen we use our Jeep to tow our side-by-side, so it's time to upgrade the Jeep. So we were sent these lights from AUXITO. These are LED replacements that are H8, H9, H11 style. There'll be a direct replacement for our high beams, low beams, and also the fog lights. So we'll unbox them, see what the bulbs look like. I'll give you some before shots of the normal halogen lights, are kind of yellow. These new ones are 6,000 and 6,500K for the fog lights. And we'll do a before and after shot, do it during the day, during the night, so you can see what it looks like, see what the difference is. I'll test them for an extended period of time, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on these bulbs. See if they're good, see if they're worth the money, and if you should get them for yourself. So unboxing the package here. You've got the instruction manual. All kinds of instructions on there. Here's the actual bulbs themselves. They've got fans in the back here. Nice seal, nice looking lights. Alright, now that we got our daytime shots and our nighttime shots of the stock headlights, we're going to install these AUXITO LED lights in my Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm not going to go over step to step how to do it because there's lots of tutorials online, so we're just going to throw these in and then we'll show you what it looks like. We'll do the daytime, nighttime, and then we'll do a comparison between the stock versus the LED, see how much difference there really is.
Much later.
Okay, so it's been a few weeks. I actually ordered the wrong low beam bulbs for this model Jeep, so I've contacted AUXITO and they've actually sent me out the right bulb. It's a little bit different style housing, where the connector connects to the bulb itself doesn't fit in the actual headlight housing of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. So this new bulb, the connector is on a wire away from the actual bulb itself. I'll show you here in the video clip what I'm talking about. So I'll get this new style LED bulb installed in my housings, and then I'll take some videos during the day, during the night, to compare to what I did with the stock headlights, so you can see what the differences are. And then I'll try them for a few weeks, and then I'll add that to the end of the video to let you know my final conclusion on what these lights are like in this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Installing the high beam bulbs and the fog light bulbs on this specific model was fairly easy. You can access everything pretty good from up here, and the fog lights, you just reach in, it's pretty simple. The low beams on this specific model are a little bit of a pain to get to. You need to take out the air box to get down into the back of the headlight housing on the driver's side. And on the passenger side, you need to move the coolant reservoir out of the way, and you can also move the computer out of the way. And that's the easiest way to get your hands down into the back of the housings. They do have access ports in the wheel well, but it's super tight to get your hands in there. I think it's almost easier to come in through the top. There's the stock bulb. We'll be replacing that with the AUXITO LED style bulb. And as you can see, it's got a wire on it with a connector rather than having the connector right on the bulb, because it makes it too big to fit in the housing. So we'll give this a go and see how this looks. There's little tabs here that line up with the holes in the back of the housing. You just put it in and turn it. Just like that, the low beam bulb is installed. I'll jump over and do the other side. Should be pretty easy. It's a little bit of a struggle getting your hand in that tight area, but nothing we can't do. So let's get that installed and we'll see how it looks. Just like that, my new AUXITO headlights are now installed in my Jeep Grand Cherokee. And let's see what they look like. AUXITO. So here's what the AUXITO LED headlights look like in the daytime. I assure you they're not flashing. That's just something the camera does. They're solid, they're not flashing, they look great. Low beams, high beams, obviously the fog lights, had to do them all. AUXITO's the way. Let's try it at night and see what it looks like. Big thanks to AUXITO for sending me the headlights and the fog lights for my Jeep, and also the yellow 8-inch round lights for my side-by-side. I've got AUXITO on my side-by-side, I've got AUXITO on the Jeep, and overall I'm just loving the products. I think you should try them out. I recommend that you check out their website. I've been testing the headlights on my Jeep for a few weeks now, months even, and I've got nothing bad to say about them. All good reviews. The lights look good. They're bright at night. They don't flicker. They make the Jeep overall look better and perform better. So if you're looking for some good quality headlights for your vehicle, check out AUXITO. They have headlights for all different models of vehicles. They look great on my Jeep Grand Cherokee. And going forwards, I think I'll run AUXITO headlights on all of my vehicles. It made such a difference. Like I said, they're super bright at nighttime. I love the color of the lights, the bluish color. They don't flicker. They just plug and play. The installation was easy. Overall, a great product. I highly recommend that you check them out. Like I said, I've got AUXITO on my Jeep. I've got AUXITO on my side-by-side. So I give it 2 thumbs up. All the links where you can find AUXITO's products will be in the video description. Make sure you check them out. Get a set for yourself, whether it's for your vehicle, your side-by-side, or whatever. They've got it all.